rainy Tuesday night, the way you looked at me when the thunder rolled just right. All those silent years we danced around the truth, suddenly laying bare there in the light of you. And the truth came pouring like Georgia summer rain, sweet, heavy, washing every fear away. You love me, you really truly love me. All this time my heart was blind, but now I see. You were waiting patient as the tall Georgia pines. Now I'm falling deep into your arms, finally alive. Yeah, you love me, and Lord, I love you too, deeper than I ever thought my heart could move. This awakening feels like coming home. Two souls no longer walking alone. I used to overthink every little glance and smile, scared that real love would break me after a while. But your quiet truth just melted every wall I made, turned my fear to freedom in the softest kind of way. Now the world looks different, softer in the glow, 'cause I finally see what you've been letting show. You love me, you really truly love me. All this time my heart was blind, but now I see. You were waiting patient as the tall Georgia pines. Now I'm falling deep into your arms, finally alive. Yeah, you love me, and Lord, I love you too, deeper than I ever thought my heart could move. This awakening feels like coming home. Two souls no longer walking alone. I don't wanna go back to sleep, no. I just wanna stay awake right here with you, playing in this beautiful illusion, laughing like God meant us to do. You love me, you really truly love me. Now the whole world's brighter, 'cause I see. Your heart was always calling out my name, and I'm running to it with no shame. Yeah, you love me, and I love you too. This kind of loving feels brand new. Carrying this light with open hands, dancing in our own sweet wonderland. You love me, and I